Okay, the purpose of today is that we're going to go through Arduino compiler and use the Blink sketch to see what it all does. It's a very basic sketch. This file is very short. It's just to introduce you to very basic concepts. Now I have mine set up so under the terminal. If I just type Uno, it pulls up the Arduino compiler. So we're going to go to File, Examples, Basics, Blink. Now we blow that up. Now this is a C language, so it's very basic language. It's not complicated to run. The only difference between the startup is that you use a setup function, which is called once whenever you reset the Arduino or you power it up. In this instance, we're setting a pin mode of the LED pin, which is pin 13 on an Arduino Uno, to output. So it's going to output voltage. We're not going to be reading the voltage into the board. We're going to be outputting the voltage. Then it calls a loop function, which just continually keeps repeating. And in this instance, we're doing a digital write of the LED pin high. So it's setting the pin to 5 volts, or the LED on, if you want to look at it each way. And then it delays for 1000 microseconds, which is 1 second. And then the LED is built in low, so it sets the voltage to 0, or the LED is off, and it delays once again for a second. So then once we go through that, we can come up here and it says verify, as you can see when I click on there. Now what I do is, once it's done, it compiles. It would tell us if there is any errors in here, and there's no errors. So now we can click on the tools, go to board, select Arduino Uno, then we go to port. Now this is where on a Windows machine you'll see a COM port. On Linux, because I'm running Linux, it's a TTY port, so I go in here and select the TTY port. On Windows, select the COM port. That pops up when you plug your Uno in. So we select that, and then we upload. Now I got a permission denied because I forgot to open my compiler under sudo, so I need to go sudo. So we're going to go to the Blink file once again, examples, basics, Blink, and then we're going to go to tools, set our board, our port, as you can see they're correct, and we're going to click upload. Now it's done uploading. So if you look at your board, you'll see the LED pin is flashing once a second. It's on for 1 second and off for 1 second. And to change that, if you just want to play with it, you just highlight this and set it to 500 and go to there and click upload again. And now you'll see that the LED is on for half a second and off for a full second. Okay, in our next video, we're going to be discussing a much more complicated topic, and we'll get into that, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.